Okay, we're now live on YouTube. All sorts of bad jokes and inappropriate things can now be said. All right. It'll be recorded for history. Now, let me see. I believe I have Ms. Sanchez on my screen, but I don't have her attorney yet. Her attorney is still not entered this meeting. We'll wait on her. Okay. This Cranberger is now in the main meeting. Ms. Cranberger, are you ready to take a plea on Ms. Sanchez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Sanchez, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down, ma'am. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Ariel Sanchez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Ariel Sanchez when this cause number CC712567, who is currently on deferred adjudication for the offense of evading arrest? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I have on my screen now a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video Conference. Basically, and you signed it. This document says that it's okay with you that we do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it also okay with you, Ms. Cranberg?
Sorry, I was on mute. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm now looking. Hold on 1 minute. I'm looking at another docket entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And basically, what this document says is that you understand that if I adjudicate you guilty of this offense, that you understand you have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, the reason we're here, ma'am, is because there's been a motion to revoke your probation filed in your case that alleges that during the term of your probation, that you violated the conditions of your probation. More particularly, I'm going to ask the district attorney to read the alleged violation.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're proceeding on a violation of condition number 4 and waiving the rest. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Ariel Bell Sanchez, did, then and there, fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February, March, April, and May of 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
To the allegation, ma'am, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
You're doing this of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is to ask the court to enter an adjudication of guilt and then order a sentence of $0 fine, court costs, 126 days, Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and she does have more than 126 days.
Is that to understand the plea bargain, Ms. Cranberg?
It is, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Ms. Sanchez?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Sanchez, the court having heard you plead true to the motion to revoke, your probation is revoked. I hereby adjudicate you guilty of the underlying offense of evading arrest. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 126 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Ms. Cranberg, do you know if this is the only case holding your client?
I believe she's waiting for a treatment bed for her felony probation, Your Honor.
Okay. So as far as this case is concerned, ma'am, this case no longer holds you. The only thing holding you now is you're waiting for that treatment bed on your felony. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And tell the deputies we're finishing your case, and Ms. Cranberg, you can be excused. Thank you.
Judge, you have a good one.
So we're still waiting now on Mr. Adams, Ms. Valdez, and Mr. Garcia.
Yes, Judge, and I texted them all and I emailed them.
Okay.
Aaron?
Mr. Adams. Okay.
Good morning, Attorney Adams.
Good morning.
Do you have an offer for your case?
No, we need an offer.
Okay, I'll put you in breakout room 6.
Okay.
Okay.
Infirmary living officer, 6422, infirmary living officer.
Mr. Adams?
Could I meet briefly with my client, Mr. Agmanagama?
Yes, sir. Can you put Mr. Adams in a breakout room with his client, Debbie?
Yes, Judge.
Soy como Cisneros, 5223. Soy como Cisneros, 5223.
Sonia here. Hi, Sonia.
Good morning, Judge.
I'm guessing they called you here because we have a really light docket this morning. Can we go over the bond docket real quickly?
Yes, sir.
Number one on my paper docket is George Allen. Is that what you have?
Correct.
Okay, is he going to be here?
Yes, he should be here.
What about number two?
Should be here.
Number three,
Should be here.
4,
Should be here.
5,
Should be here.
6,
Not handled.
not handled, 7.
7, 8, and 9 should all be here.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
All right, we're still working on some attorneys. We should get to you hopefully quickly.
Attorney Valdez.
Yes, ma'am. Here for Timothy Mata.
Yes. Do you have an offer in your case?
We have an offer. I need to go over with Mr. Mata.
Okay, I'll put you in breakout room 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, Attorney Garcia.
I don't think he heard you.
Good morning, Attorney Garcia.
Good morning, Mr. Garcia.
47, if Richard's ready.
We're not hearing you. Do you have your volume up? Are you on mute? Mr. Garcia.
Mr. Garcia, can you hear us?
Oh, you know what?
Okay.
Oh, we can't.
Can you hear us now?
I can hear you.
All right, great.
Okay, there.
Good morning.
Yeah.
It's okay. You have, first of all, you have a case on the plea docket, and then you're also handling the bond docket. Let's take care of the plea docket first.
Okay.
Do you have an offer in that case?
I imagine it's timed JSAT with 220 days.
Okay.
And
You want to
is that
confer with the
correct,
state
Talia?
before you imagine? You want to confer with the state before your imagination goes wild?
Sure. Okay.
Ms. Trish, can you confer with Mr. Garcia briefly?
Sure.
Medina, yes, can you walk yourself to one or no?
Okay, in the meantime, deputies or Debbie, doesn't matter.
Yes, Judge.
We had some question about Medina being blind or needing glasses, or what's the deal with her?
She is blind. Where I'm gonna see if I can give access to her attorney so he can control the screen. If she can't do it, I don't know if that's gonna be an issue.
Okay, so we'll find out the hard way, I guess. Okay,
Yeah, I put her there in one for whenever Richard's ready.
okay, we'll find out from Richard, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Richard, Mr. Garcia.
Yes.
there was some question about whether or not your client is legally blind or not, or whether she needs glasses. So when you go in there, I'm going to see if you can determine whether or not she can do this on the Zoom, because she's got to be able to go over the paperwork with you on Zoom and be able to, I guess, to see. Well, actually,
Okay.
she can hear you, but anyway, we got to determine whether or not this can be done when you
Okay.
go in and forward it. Can you let us know as quickly as possible if it's going to be
Sure.
possible or not? Okay. Otherwise,
Sure.
we'll have to send it back to the court.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you. Yes, sir. I'm not hearing you.
Are you?
Okay, I can hear you now. What's going on with your client?
So Francine, she's not blind, but she can't see. She can only see shapes, and so
Okay.
she can't. She can't see She can see the screen, but she can't see what's on
Either
the screen.
the paperwork. I think we need to send her back to the original court. I don't think we can do this on Zoom with her.
Well, what would be the difference?
Well,
If she can't see in court, she can't see on Zoom. I mean, I can read her everything and help her fill in the stuff and tell her where to sign.
do you think we can do it on Zoom?
I think we can.
Okay.
And she's ready to get out.
Okay. Then
Yeah,
we'll do
Judge, we can give
Debbie?
Attorney Garcia access to help her out on the paperwork. So it would be the same in person.
Well, you're gonna if she's blind, he's gonna have to read everything to her and have her point by point agree to all this stuff. Are you gonna be able to do that?
And I always read everything, even if it's a Spanish speaker, I'll read it in Spanish, and so they don't just sign. I'm not like Quan Lu that says, if you remember Quan Lu.
I do.
I'm dating myself.
You are.
Poor
You're
Quan
dating me
Lu.
as well. Okay. Well, okay. Then if you think you can do it, then we'll.
Okay, I'll
do it.
try.
Okay. All right. If you have any
you.
problem with it, then let us know.
Of course.
Thank
Booking Deputy Curley, dial 5252, booking Deputy Curley, dial 5252.
Mr. Adams.
Good morning. Mr. Agwanaga is not ready to accept the deal today.
Okay. Then we'll put in no agreement.
Do you-
Do we need to reset it for here or just send it back to the board?
We should probably send it back to the board.
Okay. No agreement, sent back. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Six. Already took advantage of the tire. Leave that way, we'll, if you fall asleep, I'll wait.
Deputy G Cruz, 6840, Deputy G Cruz, 6840. Lieutenant Radar, 6431, Lieutenant Radar, 6431.
Yeah, go ahead and have a seat. Okay,
Judge,
Jerry,
this is Timothy Mata.
Jerry, I don't have any paperwork on my screen for your client on Mata. Did you have him sign that?
Yeah, he just finished signing everything, Judge.
Okay. I'm waiting for it to come on my screen. Can I have the deputies check on Mata to see if he actually signed? Oh, okay, wait a minute. I just got it. Never mind. Timothy Mata paperwork is on here. Okay, Mr. Mata, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Timothy Mata?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Timothy Mata who in this cause number CC 699233 who's charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at the document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of unlawful carrying a weapon, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes, yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, nobody promised me anything.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. It is for a $200 fine plus court costs, 6 months deferred adjudication, 40 hours community service restitution, and the APSE course.
That's P as in Paul, right? APSE?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that to understand the plea bargain, Mr. Valdez?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
And Mr. Mata, do you understand that deferred can be a good deal, it can be a bad deal? The good part about the deal is if you successfully complete deferred, you can truthfully say you were never convicted of this crime. Bad part about the deal is if you screw up and you get violated, you could be looking at the maximums in this case, the maximum of 6 months and the maximum of $2,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And understanding that you still want the deferred. Is that right? Is that a yes?
I think so.
Yes.
I need a yes or no.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
still-
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Then Mr. Mata, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer or postpone any adjudication of this matter for 6 months, face trial probation for 6 months. I assess a $200 fine plus court costs. I make it a condition you deferred that you do 40 hours of community service
Yes, sir.
and that you take the APSE course.
Okay.
Alex Valverde, give him the minimum supervisory fee. Is there anything else I need to do on this case? Mr. Valdez or Ms. Trish?
I don't think so, Judge. Asking
Okay.
the court to follow up
All right,
recommendation.
then tell them that you, tell the deputies that you still need to talk to the probation officer, okay? Not to take you away because you need to talk to the probation officer, all right?
I think he said.
All right,
All right.
good luck to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Very easy to be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Timothy. Thanks, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
My turn? Not quite, almost there. Have a seat right here.
Okay. So I got Miss Medina on the camera.
Hello?
Yes, just 1 minute, please. Oh, that's wrong. Hold on. Ms. Garcia. Did you get was your client able to sign electronically on this paperwork, or did you sign for it? What's going on?
Judge, she was able to sign her initials. She knows where
Okay.
on the keyboard where her initials are. So
Okay.
she was able to do that. I filled in her name.
Okay.
And everything was read to her and explained to her, and she is aware of what the proceedings are going to be about.
Okay, Miss Medina, can you raise your right hand? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you, although I don't know if it's going to help, but is your name Francine Medina?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Francine Medina who in this cause number 2025 CC 009692, who stands charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Assault causing bodily injury, in your case, it's a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. You understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking on my screen now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that your lawyer went over with you and that you signed. And basically, when you went over this document with your lawyer, basically this document tells me that it is okay with you that we do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document that's entitled on my screen, Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And basically, and you've signed this document, so is your attorney. Did your attorney go over this document point by point with you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand that when you signed this document, you gave up all your constitutional rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am, sir.
I'm looking at a document on my screen that's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Again, you put your initials on this, and Mr. Garcia signed off on this. When you signed the initials on this document, what you did in effect was you told me that you understand that if I follow the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, if I follow the plea bargain, you understand you will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead no contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides a plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, and besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 217 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. She does have more than 217 days.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Garcia?
It is, Judge.
Do you agree to this, Ms. Medina?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Medina, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 217 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run current, and the judgment is satisfied. You know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Garcia?
I believe it is, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime this afternoon, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. Mr. Garcia, don't go anywhere because I still need you on another docket, okay?
Sure, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Do I hear magic words from the